Hey everyone, it's Anthony. While driving out to Amboy Crater the other day, I noticed this plexiglass art installation in Wonder Valley off Amboy Road. So it's called the Plexiglass House or Filtered Wonder Valley. It's a temporary art installation, so you definitely want to go check it out soon. It's not very big, but if you're going out to Amboy Crater from Joshua Tree, there's a couple things to stop and see. Obviously, Route 66, Roy's Motel, so Amboy, the little town of Amboy. There's the Lions, the Guardian Lions. There's Amboy Crater, but on this route there is this installation, which is about a mile past the end of the world sign. So you can check out the end of the world sign, stop by, see this. This is right next to the road, so it's not far. It's a cool little pop-up installation, but everything I've found says that it is temporary, so make sure you check it out soon. Uh, the other place that I would also recommend if you're driving out here, great place to stop for breakfast or lunch, is the Palms in Wonder Valley. Food there is amazing. The atmosphere really good. They have the stage out back where they do little pop-up concerts and stuff too. So just wanted to share this one with you. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.